crew. What's up, 360 crew? Back at it again with a new video.
I've been down, I've been down. I've been up, I've been up, I've been up. I've been down, I've been down, I've been down. I've been up, I've been up, I've been up. I've been down like a running back.
Just record with what you have.
What is up, 360 crew? Back at it again with the new video today. So check it out. The quality, just to start off the video right now, the quality is kind of low on this video. It's because I forgot to bring my SIM card to this. I had an extra one. It's kind of old SIM card, only 8 gigabytes. So I'm gonna try to get as much video as I can for you guys. Well, but with all that said, I'm at the Monday night meet, the spot now to be. Yeah, they invited me, they put me in the post, so I had to come show some love. So damn bro, thanks for the lighting. But with all that said, man, let's roll around, let's see what we could get and what kind of videos we could shoot today. And yeah, with all that said, let's get to it, let's do it, let's get it. There it is. Damn, that sucks. No one think I was supposed to get. I don't have no friends. Yeah. I don't have friends, I make friends. Hey bro, smoking's bad for you. Smoking's bad for you.
Fucking everywhere, dude.
Dude, I
left your little AZ street heat meet. I was like, nah. Bro, and my fucking diff didn't lock up when I tried to leave.
Hey, that shit, when he took off though, that shit looked clean. That downforce to that big ass wing. It did though. It was like, hey, that actually looked pretty clean.
Nah, like when I dropped the clutch, it didn't spin both rears, and then when I put it in second, it spun both rears.
It actually did look pretty clean. Well, you didn't see the flyer?
What?
They put me in the flyer on this meet.
Oh, okay.
You didn't see it?
Your picture?
No, just my name. Got the Nissan with the whiteboard? What? Boy. What's up, V6? I'm just kidding, bro.
What's up, man?
Chilling. I'm gonna talk shit to him right now, too. Oh, shit. Look at that video dance. I like this wrap on this Honda too. Dude, put a big ass one on the Honda. I'm on my this way. You guys, whose is this one?
It's mine.
Yours? You guys ain't bring no type R's with you today?
Not today.
Not today?
Not today.
Cause I think, was it? Yeah, cause you guys always had a import face-off, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. I think one day I meet up with like all you guys, like the one in the beginning of the year when you guys met up at IKEA.
Yeah.
You guys had like 4 type R's over there and shit.
Yeah.
This one looks clean though.
Thank you. There you go. Say next meet, somebody's gotta roll on the scooter and be like, yo, here's my ride.
Oh really? I'm going big for the Civic, bro. Big for the SI. Whose V6 is that?
I wish. I wish it was a V6, right? Less gas mileage.
It's clean too, bro. It's clean. I like Camaros, I really do. I mean, I wouldn't trade one in for a Honda, but I do like them.
Eco boost.
That one's dope too. Just vlogging.
For me, it's one per day.
You can't tell me.
What up, bro? Chilling.
Yeah, there's a lot of company. There's a lot of
bro.
There's quite a few parking spots, some more over here, and then under that thing too. I should say, did you bring the Lambo?
Yeah, and the big pump table.
All right.
What up, G?
That's what I was thinking. I was like, if no one wants to park over there, or eventually if they do, when you leave the car wash, there's a strip.
Did they let you be here? Or no?
They closed. I asked.
We can't like distribute.
Yeah,
we can't be doing burnouts. And, like,
he told me, he's like, we got cameras. He's like, because they just opened like a month ago. They reopened like a month ago, and he was like, right here, someone was doing a donut and they fucking hit one of the poles.
Damn.
So he's like, and they got it on camera. So he's like, don't do any burnouts, don't do anything stupid, you know. But he's like, we don't mind if you.
Is this vlogging right now?
Yeah.
He was like, we don't mind if you pull up.
It's at 180 lens, so I guess everything.
Yeah, he's talking about your belly, bro. He's talking about your belly.
He's talking about diabetes. It's a dope ass spot though.
Yeah, really good lighting and shit. So this one. We make jokes, remember? We make jokes.
But yeah, I even got the table if you want to bust it out.
Yeah, we can do it right here.
In the middle?
Yeah, all the fucking tables, or all the spots are already taken. So
we gotta do it like on the side, cause people still gonna be driving by.
I don't think so, because there's no more spots here.
Yeah, people like driving by and show off their car and then they go park.
Look.
Yeah,
we can do it. Right here, huh?
Oh, hell yeah.
What's going on? What's up, man?
You cold? Zip up the
I'ma pull up in the 6-speed. With a white girl next to me. She bad. Got that white in my wrist clean. They wanna know the recipe. I cook. I'ma pull up in the 6-speed. With a white girl next to me. She bad. Got that white in my wrist clean. They wanna know the recipe. They don't like the new me. You don't understand. Posting like a OG. Ruger in my hand. Shoot it in that bitch face. No, I'm not your man. Spazzing on these new tracks. Already back again. Walk up in it, bitch. Feeling super hot. Busting all these slugs on your fucking block. Keep it low key. That's just how I rock. She wanna throw it back. I just want the top. I drop the top. Like oh my gosh. Audi is my whip. Drove it off the lot. Now I'm the boss. Now what's the cost? Niggas talk too much cause I got the sauce. I'ma pull up in the 6-speed. With a white girl next to me. Got that white in my wrist clean. They wanna know the recipe. I'ma pull up in the 6-speed. With a white girl next to me. Got that white in my wrist clean. They wanna know the recipe. I done dropped from the top, now I'm back up on the top. I might drive up in a drop, all them ops is getting dropped. You can try it if you want, hit that nigga with the tech. That boy better have a vest, make one call, I come collect. I'ma get it how I want, I had the money from the jump. I ain't never hit a club, I buy bottles just for fun. Never seen as a chump, hit the scene in the truck. All these diamonds got them stuck, you should never test my luck. No, I got that bitch tucked, last time I got sucked. Got my nut and then I cut, wait, I fucked her in the butt. All these diamonds on me, they been dancing. All them bitches, they been dancing. Breezy boy. I'ma pull up in the 6-speed. With a white girl next to me. She bad. Got that white in my wrist clean. They wanna know the recipe. I cook. I'ma pull up in the 6-speed. With a white girl next to me. She bad. Got that white in my wrist clean. They wanna know the recipe.
Now let's approach this fool. Get back!
President, vice president only, alright?
I'm about to go talk to the cop.
Where are you going?
We ain't going nowhere.
No? What happened? Wait, what did he tell you guys?
No, we got permission with the owner. That cop don't know what the fuck he's talking about.
Yeah.
I think he left because everybody was approaching him.
Right? They got the mob coming up on him.
I think only a couple people should go.
Oh.
Yeah, bro.
Something happened.
Talk to the wrong manager.
Yeah,
That's all I know. I'll let you guys go, alright? Alright, guys. Have a good night.
New spot?
What, you got a backup spot?
Where?
Yeah.
Movie theater.
No,
The Dutch off of 52nd's pretty nice.
Well, there's a mall right here, isn't there?
It's far.
Right here.
Right? No, it's in
It's
that
right
parking
here.
lot.
Yeah.
The Lowe's parking lot.
Oh, yeah?
Alright,
Yeah.
tell everybody. Scream it out.
Hey, new spot, by
Hey.
As long as those people.
So we're gonna go to a new spot. We just got kicked out. I don't know how. We got permission, but we did. Hey, where's it at? Alright. Hey, if you guys want to go, we're going to the In-N-Out parking lot right here.
Right.
Alright. Easy. Alright, we gotta set this up.
Everybody's leaving. What happened?
We gotta go to a new spot.
Everybody's going to a new spot.
Alright, let's go.
Turn it on.
Isn't that new stuff?
What'd the cop say? I'm recording for you, babe.
Okay.
All this stuff is for you.
I'm gonna
Talk to the camera.
So we just got kicked out. We just got kicked out, but we're about to head up to a new spot. Right now I'm recording from the phone because my camera died and my battery is charging right now. We're about to go hit up with Dutch Bros and new spots, which is pretty cool. That means I can get some roller shots. So hell yeah, man, with all that said, you already know what it is. Let's get to it, let's do it, let's get it.
You want to get this video of me slapping this prospect sticker on the C's car?
Yeah. I got a video of you saying that too.
You want to go slap this shit on your car?
What's up?
You want to go put the sticker on your car?
Let's go.
You gotta put your right hand on the sticker
You gotta
and repeat after me.
I solemnly swear that.
I'ma get 3 mods
He said right.
or die.
Where do you want it? You can put it anywhere on this.
Well, how big is the sticker? Oh, you got it right there?
Are you allowed to have multiple stickers on you guys' cruise cars or?
Yeah.
It's like a video in a video.
Oh, snap.
That's his own video.
I know.
Right here.
And you gotta subscribe. No, I'm just kidding.
Alright, cool. Oh, that's not too bad.
That's it.
You do that.
Put it in the middle of the windshield, bruh.
I mean, honestly, what's it? Oh.
Right here.
Right there? Yeah. I'm going right.
You guys ready to clap your hands?
I was like, wait, you about to kick us out?
Everybody clap your hands!
I'm gonna rip a letter off. You said not yet? No, I
Said not yet.
You on the clock right?
I having fun at work. This is my break. I didn't take one all day, so this is my break.
Let's go.
It's a little bit off center, but okay.
Does it?
Yes. Oh, man.
Nah, it's good. What up, guys? So we just got back from the meet as I'm editing the video right now while I'm eating some wings. You already know what it is. But this is my outro. My battery kept dying, and on top of that, I was using this little cheap ass 8 gig SIM card, and it wasn't even, dude, it got filled up so quick. You know, I couldn't record a lot for you guys, but yeah, this is my intro. I just want to tell you guys, you know, thanks for watching. Always like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, until next time, I'll see you guys at the next meet. So you already know what it means. Let's get to it. Let's do it. Let's get it.